Soothe and relieve mouth and tooth pain with Marshmallow Root Glycerin. Now, about a month ago, I made a video on making Marshmallow Root Glycerin. It has been a month. I have strained and bottled my Marshmallow Root Glycerin tincture, and I promised to show you some benefits of it. Now, Marshmallow Root is the most effective as a cold-infused tea. Heat destroys the healing powers of marshmallow roots. The second best is a glycerin tincture. Alcohol does not effectively extract the properties of marshmallow root. And here's a QR code to my YouTube video. In the last video on marshmallow root, we made a glyceride, but I want to show you how much thicker the glyceride is. And if you didn't see that video on making a marshmallow root glyceride or glycerin tincture, I will leave a link to that video. Marshmallow root tea is one of the most effective and best known herbs for painful mouth condition. You just use it as a mouthwash. Mouth ulcers, canker sores, cuts on the inside of the cheeks, inflamed gums, sore throats. But a marshmallow root tea requires you to soak the marshmallow root in cold water at least 4 hours and then make it fresh each day, which is why I prefer a marshmallow root glycerin tincture. Marshmallow root soothes, coats, and moistens the mucous membranes. It reduces inflammation and stimulates the immune system. Now, this is how I use marshmallow root glycerin for my mouth pain. I add an equal amount of echinacea root alcohol tincture to make it even more effective. Echinacea root is well known as a remedy for toothaches and sore throats. Echinacea is an effective antimicrobial that fights the infection and helps to numb the pain. I use a Q-tip to dab the marshmallow root echinacea mixture onto the painful areas. I then squeeze the remaining amount in my mouth and swallow. Then I repeat several times a day as needed. Now, if you missed my video on how to make a marshmallow root tea and its benefits, there are many recipes for a marshmallow root tea: 1 tablespoon per 1 cup of water, 1 to 2 teaspoons per 1 cup of water, 2 to 4 grams to 1 cup of water. But whichever amount you use, you mix the herbs in cold water and let it set at least 4 hours or as long as overnight, and then you strain it. Now, this is a QR code to my YouTube video. And you might be an herbalist if you can pronounce echinacea. Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any of the amazing benefits of natural healing.